Hey, what's going on, Gaijins and Gaijins? This is Good Gaijin Greg, and I am back with another video. Sorry I've been gone for so long, but I'm back, and I'm in the mood for something crispy and juicy and tender. I think I want some fried chicken, but not just any fried chicken, of course. Today I will be making karaage, which is Japanese fried chicken. And it is done with a lot of different special things to make it tender and juicy and oh so delicious. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's have ourselves a good day. All right.
First, you're going to cut your chicken into even bite-sized pieces. Make sure they're not too small since they're going to shrink as they cook. Next, we're going to take our chicken pieces and we're going to go ahead and start seasoning them. First with some soy sauce, some lemon juice, some oyster sauce, some mirin, some black pepper, sake, some minced garlic, minced ginger, and some sriracha. Go ahead and give that a mix and then set it aside. Next, we're going to take our potato starch, and I added some black pepper, garlic powder, and a bit of chili powder for spice. And you're going to add just a little bit of regular water to it, a little at a time, to make little crunchy bits that stick out on your chicken. That way you have a little extra crunch to your crunchy chicken. Next, we're going to add 1 egg and about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of starch, just so we can have a nice, good coating, a nice egg coating for our chicken. And then we're going to go ahead and dredge that in our flour. You don't have to worry about making sure the chicken is breaded too evenly all over. It kind of gives it that karaage look anyway when the breading is uneven. And then after that, we can start frying. As you put your chicken in the oil, make sure you go ahead and remove any breading that comes off so that it doesn't burn. Make sure your oil isn't too high. We're not trying to cook our chicken all the way. We just want to cook the meat and leave the breading nice and light. After about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken, you're going to go ahead and flip, give it a few more minutes, and then take it out. And that's our first time. Next, we're going to go ahead and raise the heat, and we're going to fry it a second time to make sure it's nice and crisp. Okay, so you want to fry your chicken in batches till it's nice and golden brown and crispy. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, after that, plate it up how you like with some lemon or some salad with a little bit of Kewpie mayo on there. You have yourself a nice dinner with some rice, some soup, and you can't have fried chicken without beer.
Well, that's it. Now we have our dinner. A nice big pile of crispity, crunchity karaage. So let's give it a try. Itadakimasu. Ah. I know you can hear that. If you can't, I'm sorry, but this is crunchy. That is amazing. There we go. We finished another one. Delicious, crispy, juicy karaage. Mmm. So, hopefully, you guys try this. It's amazing. Nice, crispy karaage. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Later.